it's getting hot.
All right, BB, we're over here at Publix. We got to pick up what?
Chili.
And what are we going to make?
Frito pie.
A Frito. Well, we'll call it a Publix Frito pie because we're using Publix chili.
Yeah.
If we do this again, we will be using BB's original chili recipe, but this is just a little cheat code because we just want to try it out. Welcome to your Publix. Alrighty. We gotta go get chili. It's gonna be nice and fresh. The place just opened up. You better have it ready. Oh yeah. Even at 9 o'clock in the morning. Oh, okay. Hang on. No chili. They ran out of chili. All right, BB, let's see if this place has anything. Looking for chili, the chili run. All righty, chili run. There we go, go straight. Don't wait for me, dude. Don't wait for me. Get over there. Forget the smell of the bakery. Just get to it. Chili. There better be enough there to make two. So we're gonna make the Frito pie that BB found, and everyone says some comments that it's so close to be good. We're gonna like it.
So before anyone says anything, no, I'm not making it from scratch this time.
Right.
I love how y'all...
I did say that. I said that this is a Publix.
No, the other comment.
I know that. I'm saying you did say that in the
beginning of the video. But
that the pie video. That you normally make pie from scratch, but because we had to make two right away, we made it.
I cheated.
Yeah, this is what we're gonna do here with a Frito. Normally BB makes chili, but it's not winter time, so we're gonna use Publix. The next time BB makes chili, then we would do the Frito pie with her ingredients. The infamous
Frito pie.
Alrighty, BB,
The
we are
recipe's
home.
right there on the back.
Look at that. I didn't. Hang on a second. We didn't. Have you ever noticed that?
No, first time.
Oh my gosh. I did not notice that. That they have the recipe on the back. That shows you how much we've eaten.
Well, we normally don't buy Fritos, but every once in a blue moon.
Now, this is something BB's heard of. And she said one day we need to try it.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, we went to Publix to look for the chili. And everyone's talking about it when we mentioned it.
Even the cashier.
Yeah. And then look, I didn't even notice it when we bought this.
Nope, I just seen it sitting on the way we had it set on the back.
I did not notice this.
Okay, well.
Until we bought it.
What it is.
Son of a gun.
Now we know. But now I want to try it, so. Alright, my chili got cold, and I don't like cold chili.
Plus, we'd like to say, before anyone makes a comment, that this isn't homemade.
No, it's
like
not
they
homemade.
did on the like they did on the pie.
Pay attention, folks. Pay attention.
This is because it's too hot to make chili. We're going to use the Publix chili. But the next time in the wintertime when it starts getting colder and you decide you make chili, we will use and make a video.
Make my homemade chili and do it.
Yeah. Of BB's homemade chili.
Which Publix is really good.
Yeah.
But it's
But we just wanted to
not
get
mine.
this video in. I mean, because even the people in the comments are making, like, wait till you try it.
Yeah, so now I really can't wait, but yeah, when the woman at the cashier, oh, somebody's not feeling well? Nope. Oh, you're buying chili? Yep, we're making Frito pastas. Oh, that is so good. Now I just had to go get her some chili to go home and make herself some.
And the crazy thing is we had to hunt for this chili. Publix chili right here in Kathleen
So
is
dang
very,
popular.
it's very, very, very popular.
Everybody loves that chili.
Yeah. So luckily the other place they had it.
Okay. So we're just going to let that heat up, and when we do it, I'm going to put it in bowls because it has the chili. See how it goes from there. Okay. Alrighty, be ready.
So we definitely got to get the whatchamacallit,
What?
the onions like this.
Scallions?
Yeah.
Or, yeah,
Scallions.
Scallions are good in soups anyway.
It smells good.
Mm-hmm. All right. So now this is ready to rock and roll when the rest of it is ready to rock and roll. Here we go. You can always take these and put them in the ground and they will regrow.
If we have scallions left over, don't
Yeah.
worry about it. I might use it in tomorrow's,
Yeah, you can
when I
use
make
it.
tomorrow's thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all good. And hot.
And this is our dinner for the day.
Yep. Whew.
Those onions smell pretty good.
Okay.
Now, do those get crunched up?
Nope.
No.
Just the way you see them. That'll work. Okay. All right.
This looks like we're eating like in the 1800s.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
I'm just saying.
Cheesy weezy.
She sure said make it cheesy.
Yep, she did.
And something about the...
Sour cream.
Yeah.
One good thing with glass containers. They really help. Whoa! Where you going, dude? There we go.
Runaway sour cream.
Yeah. I'm just fixing to say it keeps it nice and firm and it's not running. It ain't running. Just plop that bad boy right on down. I like to make noise.
Don't forget you still got the stove on.
Alrighty. Let's go to the table and check this out. Spoon or fork. You know what it almost reminds me of?
What's that?
Taco salad. Spoon or fork?
Whatever you're gonna use it, I'm gonna use it too.
Okay, I'm using a spoon.
This is the most fastest dinner
In history.
I've ever seen you make.
Yeah, so I don't know how people eat it. I've seen them using spoons, but hey, I'm going for it.
You got the thumbs.
Oh yeah. Heck yeah. I like this. She was right with sour cream because of the chili.
So I gotta mix it up, stir it, you're saying? And mush it. Watch it jiggle.
Okay.
Make that wiggle. I think what's gonna put it off the chain is that
It was the what?
the onion. To be honest with you. Make sure I get everything. Get a piece of the onion, the cheese, a red bean. Oh wow. When you first put it in your mouth, it does taste like what'd you say, a taco salad? But then the cream cheese, not the cream cheese, what the heck's that thing?
Sour cream?
Comes next with the onion, and then right at the end, you get the taste of the chip. Yeah. That's pretty good. So definitely let us know if you've made this. Why have you kept it a secret for so long? 2025, and we're finally realizing that there is a Frito or a...
It's called Frito pie.
Frito pie. So...
And don't ask me why they call it a pie. I don't know.
And I can't... I mean, don't get me wrong. Publix makes the best chili. But I can't imagine when you make your chili in the beginning, it's watery, a little bit juicy, what it's going to taste like with your seasoning and everything with all this here. So,
yeah.
But we will do a future video
of it.
Yeah. So, but that won't be until the winter time, because like I said, that's when we make our chili, is during the winter time. So
I think with my chili, because mine's got more seasoning in it, I think it's really going to be over the top.
So,
but I ain't kicking Publix to the side. Don't get me wrong.
No. I mean, this was a great idea, great dinner.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure you guys like and subscribe.
And until the next video, everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.